We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Office of Civil Defense. Get to shelter now. I repeat, get to shelter now. At 6:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command detected the launch of 4 intercontinental ballistic missiles from eastern Russia. These missiles are expected to impact the continental United States within the next 2 to 3 hours. These missiles contain 2 megaton nuclear warheads, which are capable of leveling cities. The missiles are expected to strike the following areas: New York City, New York; Jacksonville, Florida; Charlotte, North Carolina; and Birmingham, Alabama. All residents within a 200-mile radius of these areas are advised to locate the nearest fallout shelter now. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout may result in death. The nuclear warheads will completely destroy everything within a 30-mile radius, and cause substantial damage to everything in a 100-mile radius. If no such fallout shelter exists in your area, move to the most interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Make sure to bring the following supplies with you: food and water for each member of the family for 2 weeks, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and any other items you feel is necessary to bring. All television and radio broadcasts have ceased normal programming to broadcast this message. The President of the United States is currently being transported to a secure location. The United States Office of Civil Defense have declared a national emergency. 4 nuclear missiles are about to strike the United States. Get to shelter now. The United States Office of Civil Defense have declared a...
Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States. This message is a transcripted message from the President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, in approximately 2 hours from this moment, 4 of our great American cities will be reduced to rubble. The situation with Russia has been unfortunately quite unsatisfactory within the past 2.5 years. We have officially reached the low point of our relationship with Russia, and war is inevitable with our former ally. The United States Air Force has attempted to stop the missiles from reaching the mainland, but to no avail. I am sorry to say I have failed you as your Commander-in-Chief. I have failed you, the American population, as your leader. And I have failed the government as our President. But I will make new commitment. We will rise from the ashes. We will fight back, and we will win. This is just the beginning of a new chapter in our history. Thank you. And God bless America.
That was a message from the President of the United States. All American residents should be taking shelter in a fallout shelter at this time. I repeat, all American residents should be taking shelter in a fallout shelter at this time.